Hello there, Ravens. Today we're going to just introduce the variables, units, and formulas that are used during gas laws. Okay, so to get us started today, P is pressure. Let me pull up my pen here. Okay, so P represents pressure. Did you get that? That doesn't look real good, but it's pressure. Okay, T is temp. V is volume. N is the number of moles. Okay, so just N is moles, and I know that's weird. R is new to you, and this is called the ideal gas constant. And the value for R is 0. Let's do that point over there, 0.821. And the unit is going to be liters times atmospheres divided by moles times kelvins. Okay, so liter atmospheres per mole Kelvin. And we'll get into this when we talk about the ideal gas laws in a later presentation. Okay, units. The units for pressure are wide and varied, so watch presentation number 2 and we'll go into all of the different units for pressure. Temperature. For the gas laws, you must always convert temperature into kelvins, Ks. Okay? And Kelvin is nothing more than a temperature scale with no negatives. There are no negative numbers on this as well. If you want to convert degrees Celsius, like 0 degrees Celsius, to kelvins, you just add 273 to it, and that gives you your kelvins. Okay? For volume, units of volume are going to be most commonly the milliliter or the liter. And the unit for moles is MOL for mole. All right, so let's look at formulas. Knowing the formulas for the following gas laws. Okay, these are formulas that you should be familiar with. And let's just pull all of them up here that we're going to do. Okay, Boyle's law is, whoops, let's go back. I lost my pen. That's why that happened. Here we go, pen back. All right, P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. Charles's law is relating to volume and temperature. So this is a direct relationship. So volume is going to be on top and temperature is on the bottom. And that's T1. Avogadro's law deals with volume and the number of moles. V again is on the top and N is on the bottom. Ones refer to the initial condition and twos refer to the final condition. Gay-Lussac's law is about pressure and temperature. So P1 over T1 being equal to P2 over T2. The ideal gas law is known as Pivnert. This is PV is equal to nRT. And then the combined gas law pulls everything together, and that is P1 V1 over T1 is equal to P2 V2 over T2. Okay? When you're doing gas laws problems, the formulas you really need to be able to remember and focus on are this one, the Avogadro's law, the ideal gas law, and the combined gas law. All right, and that's it. Those are all the formulas that you need to know to be successful with gas laws. All right, stay tuned for video number 2.